¿Qué onda, mucha? Hey guys, we are going to talk about this new Viperade CHA9. So, stick around. Meet the only multi-tool sheath you'll ever need from now on. And it will last you almost as long as the tools itself. It's a collaboration between myself and Viperade. I have designed this sheath, and it accommodates 90% of the multi-tools out there, and it has space for flashlights, pens, add-ons, patches, like this glow-in-the-dark spicy patch. We asked for feedback on the Viperade group, link below for the group, the Facebook group. And this is the result of all the opinions that we gathered without compromising from some stuff. Of course, we would love button closure, but the Velcro makes it so it fits multiple size tools snugly. So this is why we went with Velcro. And yeah, let me give you the rundown for this right now. It has two elastic loops on the sides, a Velcro patch field on the front, a plastic D-ring for hanging, a loop for easy opening, Velcro. This inner lining is felt. The whole construction is 900D nylon and elastic webbing. The back is where the fun is, because it can both be carried vertically and horizontally with this strap system. And it is Velcro, so it can easily unmount on here as well. It can be adjusted if you like. And it's passed through, so it can accommodate any belts. Also, we made it like this so it can be mounted on any MOLLE system. For example, this can easily fit in here. Let me cue the music, and we're gonna put this on a higher speed. So yeah, and we're back. So you can imagine this mounted on any MOLLE bag. This happens to be a Viperade one. But it can be mounted on the sides, on the front, on the back, wherever you wish. So it's a 3-way mounting system, and the belt horizontally and vertically, and the MOLLE here. Let's get a better look at the inside and the side. The sides, I love polka pens. This would be perfect for this. With the clip, of course. It would retention, the size is perfect. It can also fit a space pen with the clip. And on this side, I have a titanium lightning bug, but I'm sure it can accommodate many other flashlights or other tools. This is the lumen top without the clip, and the retention is good. It's not going to fall, especially if you carry it out on your belt. The inside is where the magic happens. Again, felt lining over here. And this is a Viperade. It's a clone of a Wave from Leatherman, but it's almost the same size. I can assure you it fits 95% of Leatherman tools. Because it's wide enough and tall enough for that. I'm going to show you with this Victorinox super tool or Swiss tool. I'm sorry. And we're also going to use. It has a slot in the front, and you're familiar with these. These come with the Swiss tool. This is over 25 years old, mind you. And so this could go right here in the front sleeve. See? And we can put the big Swiss tool there. And it closes easily. See? And we can still put things on the side. All right, for the earthquake. There we go. This is the super tool, the Swiss tool. Again, I'm sorry. With bits in the front and tools in the side. What more could you need? Let's change it up for the Leatherman rebar. This is pretty thin, but it fits with no problem at all. And the Velcro is because we want it snuggling there, so there's no rattle. And yeah, it can accommodate many tools, like I said. So this is the CHA9. It comes in OD green and in black. I'll put up the specs right over here, somewhere here, or anywhere you like. And you can see what the measurements are, the weight, the materials used. Yeah. And you won't believe the price that this is coming out of. It's $19 for this. What a product. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. Yeah, go get yourself one. I'm going to link it down below where you can get it. Okay, you're back. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And go get yourself one of these. It's $19. It's less than a Happy Meal. Something. I don't know. It's going to last you for a long time. You can fit anything you dream of in here, and snugly. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later.